Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. This is your general bonus love reading for the month of September 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it will help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So, and gender is not specific, and I don't read reversals. I have already uploaded your general reading, your main reading, your extended love reading. So just have a look on that too, because there are very beautiful messages and important messages for you, Aquarius. Okay, if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the bonus love messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for Aquarius for September 2021. What are the messages? Please give me one message for Aquarius. 1 minute. There is memories, cherished memories of loved ones. So there is someone from your past which is coming back. This is Six of Cups energy. Okay, maybe you are memorizing the memories of your loved ones. So this is beautiful. This is someone from your past which is coming back here in this time frame here, Aquarius. In your main reading also, I was getting here the Fool energy, Six of Cups energy. There is someone from your past which is coming back, and you both love each other a lot here. Okay. Wow, I love it. There is sun was again the same energy is here. 0222 is the recording reading time. Get ready for new happy beginnings in your love life, Aquarius. Okay, open your heart to enormous growth ahead. There is Phoenix, be prepared to renewed after a period of crisis. And there is unity, a time of divine understanding, renewal, peace, and hope. You radiate and attract great love. So many of you, Aquarius, you're going to get reunion with your soulmate, with your twin flame, with your divine counterpart. Okay, so or a divine connection here. So this is beautiful. Okay, this is someone from your past who is coming back, and you're going to get reunited with this person. And there is Chariot again. In your reading, main reading also, there was Chariot and Sun. So you will charge ahead with confidence, stay focused, and charge in a forward direction. Move in a forward direction. Stay strong and focused. Okay. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from Wisdom for Healing Child. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Release the need to complain. Today's lesson is honesty assess whether you are a complainer, no matter whether you share complaints with others or keep them to yourself. This tendency is a way of looking at a situation without seeing its potential blessings. Your goal is to release the predilection to complain and instead see the positive side of things. So this is the today's lesson here. Okay, and I'm sorry for the background noise. Okay, let me see one message from the Super Attractor. Thank you for giving the message. Let this pass. Okay, sorry for that pause. Okay, the message is, I let the universe catch up with my dream. So you can take a screenshot of this and you can use this affirmation for yourself, Aquarius. Okay, and there is, I can decide today to recalibrate my energy and commit to love and joy. So take a screenshot of these two super attractive messengers, and you can use these messengers. Okay, so beautiful. Let me see one message from Everyday Miracles. These are the messages, affirmations which you can use. Okay, let me add one more affirmation for you. Please give me one affirmation for Aquarius. Too many. Please give me one message. Fear is not justified in any form. The Holy Spirit will help you reinterpret everything that you perceive as fearful and teach you that only what loving is true. Okay? And there is, I choose the joy of God instead of pain. No one created by God can find joy in anything except the external, not because he is deprived of anything else, but because nothing else is worthy of him. 0555 is the recording reading time. So you can use these affirmations here, Aquarius. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from Grace cards. Please give me one message for Aquarius. There is listen and there is silence. Okay, when we feel overly attached to an outcome, it's simply an indication that we need to reconnect with our wise self. Okay, listen to yourself and let go any control issues if you are attached to the desired outcome or a desired result. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. And there is silence, which says, be still. A daily practice of silence gives a heightened sensitivity to beauty, deep inner peace, and a profound feeling of connectedness to all living things. So these are the two messages. Thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from fairies. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me one message. Purity. Always trust in the purity of your heart. Look inside your heart, and within it you will find the answers to all your questions, Aquarius. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here from the fairies. This is beautiful message. Thank you, fairies, for giving the message. Now let me see one message from the energy oracle deck. What is the message for Aquarius for this reading? Please give me the message. Okay, so the message is very beautiful, Aquarius, I can say that. Okay, and what is that? Cornucopia number 11. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 1111, and this is the beautiful card in this whole deck. Why I'm saying that? This is the abundance and the prosperity of everything. Abundance of everything. Abundance of love, abundance of financial materialistic things, abundance of career, abundance of everything. Okay, cornucopia is the beautiful message which I received for you. You will receive lot of abundance in every terms, in your spiritual journey, every terms. So cornucopia is coming here for you. There is goddess of moon, so follow your intuition here, Aquarius. Your intuition is guiding you here. There is angel of strength. Keep your strength with you. Okay, and your fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel, your thought chakra is getting activated here. Okay, so this is beautiful. But now you can express your truth, you can express your feelings. Now you can express your things which you need to express, because your thought chakra is getting activated. And there is someone, a man holding a heart. Gender is not specific here. Take gender according to your situation, but someone is here who wants to offer their heart. Can you see a man holding a heart? So someone wants to share their love towards you, Aquarius. So this is beautiful. Thank you. Now let me see what are the messages from Osho Zen Tarot deck. There is awareness, guidance. Wow, you're becoming more aware, Aquarius. You're becoming more aware about your own soul, who you are. Okay, you are. Can you see how this woman is peeling off this skin and going to connect with their soul. So you are more now connecting yourself towards your soul. You're connecting with your soul here, and you're receiving the guidance from the angels. Okay, there's a lot of guidance which is available for you, and you are following the guidance of the universe, of the divine, of the angels, and that's beautiful. And there is past lives. So you are going to receive a connection with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, this connection is not from this lifetime. This connection is someone which with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, so this is beautiful. This is someone who is coming in your life. Okay, this can be your soulmate, this can be your twin flame, I told you. Okay, so many past lives, you both have spent many past lives together here. Okay, because now you are going to get connected with your higher self, with your soul self, and you are following your guidance here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from Ask Your Guidance. Ask your guides, basically. Please guides, give me the message for Aquarius. One message. Exhaustion. This was the same message which I received in your main reading too. Maybe you're working a lot, Aquarius. Take a break, and because of working a lot you're feeling exhausted. Okay, exhaustion is here, but let me read it out from the book also. That means you are working overload. Okay, your divine helpers are here, and they're advising you that while it's essential that you do everything in your power to fulfill your goals, it's equally important to know when to back off and allow the universe to work its magic on your behalf. You have done enough, Aquarius. Allow these beautiful and highly competent guides to step up in and take over. Your enthusiasm is your gift, but unless it's properly contained, it can be underdetermine your best intentions. Your divine helpers gently remind you that just as plants need water to grow, too much will drown your abilities to blossom. The same principle applies to your efforts. Overdoing is fear in disguise. Okay, do not allow it to keep you in the manic mode. Give yourself more breathing space. Trust that your divine helpers are on the job overseeing your success so you can rest. You need to let go and turn responsibilities over to others. Just because you need rest does not mean that they do. Ask your divine helpers for assistance in this. They know better than you what you need right now. Ease up and let them work their miracles. Their message is to rest. And this is the message continuously I'm receiving in today's reading for you, Aquarius. Take some time for rest. Okay, now let me add some message from Crystal Spirits. Thank you, Crystal. Oh, thank you, guides, for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the Crystal Spirits. Maybe you are working a lot. Stop working overload. Okay, please give me one message for Aquarius. So the light, number 52, 1331. Wow. In today's reading also I am receiving the numbers same in every reading of yours, Aquarius. The same numbers are repeating again and again. So you can use this crystal here for your conscious awareness, for an awakened state, for the inner knowing, for the self-confidence, for the clear expression of intentions. Okay, so this message says that this crystal is to be fully awake as you make choice, large and small, that will influence your well-being. Okay, so this is beautiful crystal. You can use it for these things. Okay, thank you, Crystal Spirits, for giving the message. Now let me add one message from Native Spirits, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Okay, please give me one message. Shape shifter. Okay, with what is this shape shifter is? You can do anything you desire. Okay, let go of attachment to your identity. See the world around you with new eyes. Be malleable. Experiment with different ways of viewing reality. See the point of view of others. If you have not been able to manifest your dreams, maybe you need to shift the perception, the way you see the person or a situation. Okay, you have the ability to shape shift. Simply imagine that you are an animal, bird, plant, or stone. Make it real as you can. Doing this deepens your ability to shift your beliefs and limiting decisions that perhaps you have help you back to fulfill your highest destiny. So this is beautiful. Thank you, native spirits, for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. So this was your bonus love reading for the month of September 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing, light, and beautiful happy energies to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching my video. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.